Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm just want to show you the app, Yepp app, that it won't pay you at all. Couple of videos I created before. I want to let you know that's how you can make money with this app. Basically, it's straightforward. All you need to do is, most money you can make from this app is using your referral ID. However, I've made around $20 and I tried, this is the third time trying to withdraw them, and unsuccessfully. It doesn't say any fraud or anything, it just says rejected, so there's not much really you can do about it. This is the referral I've been rewarded from them, and when I try to withdraw, as you can see, the one in red, withdraw, and then it just says refund legal. That's it. So basically it puts the money back, but nothing more than that. How does it work, this process of transferring? It's straightforward. Basically, all you need to do is, first you need to go to your Binance account or any other platform exchange website. Go to the wallet, use the USDT, and then click on deposit, and then go all the way down, choose the Tron TRC20, and then copy the address, come back to here, click on withdraw. An ad is going to show up, basically a couple of seconds of app. Well, not a couple of seconds, but really it takes about 30-40 maybe. So we have to wait down here till this is finished, and once it's finished, I'm going to go through the process, and just to let you know, this particular app doesn't work. It's full of scam, and it won't pay you anyway. It doesn't matter if you've been loyal to them, it doesn't matter if you've been cheating to them, it doesn't matter anything whatsoever, they won't pay you anyway. It's just pure 100% scam, trust me on that. I've been dealing with, I got a couple of other YouTube channels, and because I got more than 4K of subscriber, I passed the link in there, and many of them, they have been registered through my referral link, and that's why I got about $20 in there. When trying to withdraw, which I tried before 14th of December, it was rejected on 14th December. Then I tried before 25th of December, and it doesn't take long for them to reject it. It takes about 2 days to 3 days to reject it. And then 29th of December, I made a review again. It says processing, it says review, but they're not gonna pay. I bet you many times they will come with a negative anyway. I have contacted them, and it's straightforward. They have their own website. This is the Yepp, and you can click on contact page. I contacted them here, and I explained to them the problem, and I even thrown some nasty words maybe to them, because I know they are absolutely one scam, whatever, a person, individual, or a company, or whatever they are absolutely full of scam. And I promised them that I would create many videos to explain and to let other people know about your app. And basically, I'm telling you, avoid this app, not just because they haven't paid me, but you can see yourself. I'm an honest guy, and I don't really like to play with the fire, in a way of, I know exactly how affiliate link works. So it's like ads that when you don't click yourself, same thing is here. You don't register with your own phone, or you have another phone or whatever, but because I'm using marketing videos, I added a link on my videos, and a lot of people did register through my referral link, and that's how I got my income. However, if they don't explain to you why it's been refused or anything like that, it just says rejected, as simple as that. So that's it. That's nothing you can. It says fraud. I mean, it's a moderator comment. Fraud is absolutely nonsense. I haven't done any fraud at all. I know myself. I know how the work I do is not fraud whatsoever. It's bullshit from them. Just said rejected, fraud. Is bullshit. So be aware of that, guys. It's up to you if you want to carry on with this app, but I'm telling you, you will not get paid. And have a look at so many other comments on the internet. I don't want to go now, but have a look at yourself. Just search for the app and just search for feedback or review or anything related to that. You will see that many other has the same problem anyway. So avoid avoid this type of app. Thanks for watching, guys. Please do also subscribe. We have many more videos. We will try to report and bring to you, so you know exactly who these idiots are, because they keep creating those apps. They profit in themselves, and in return, by lying others, hardworking people trying to make a living in any way possible, like us, and then they just they'll never pay you. So avoid this type of scamming apps or websites or whatever. I thank you for watching. I'll see you in another video.